Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Motorsports. Right next to me we have another 1987 Buick Grand National. We've had several of these over the past month, and there's a reason for that. We've been going to the source, getting the best quality and bringing it to you so that you can have something that you won't have to worry about. You can drive it and there's no issues for the future. This specific vehicle has a brand new motor, the original motor that's been rebuilt by Steve V. He's a professional Grand National guy, and when you see the quality of it, you're going to understand. I'm going to pop the hood here. 87s have the signature black grille compared to the 86s, which have a chrome grille. Also, this one already has the fillers replaced, so you're not going to have that oxidation issue. And how you can tell that is because it's solid, so those are fiberglass. As I pop this, you ready? Take a look at how clean this motor is. Obviously, it has 900 miles on the rebuild. It has a TA49 turbo. It also has methanol injection. It has a MAF conversion. It also has a cam. What else does this thing have? MSD wires. It still retains the factory braking system, which works excellent. And the AC is ice cold. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the description the exact breakdown of this build out. But you're talking about something that you don't have to worry about. It's already been refreshed and it runs excellent. This specific setup at 18 pounds is running 317 horsepower and 422 foot-pounds of torque to the rear wheels. So this is easily a low 11-second car if you put that boost up to 25 pounds. The air-fuel ratio is around 11, so if you turn up the alky, you can run it even harder. The best part is it's a drivable, fast, fun vehicle that you don't have to do anything to. This is not a project. As we walk to the side of it, I want you to notice all the original paint. This is acrylic paint, so in the 80s, the paint quality was not very good, but this one shows extremely nice. We try to go for the best ones we can go for. You've got yourself a set of factory wheels up front and then 10-inch wide wheels in the rear. Those are aftermarket. All of your badges look great, and then the hood looks great as well. You've got your emblems up there. This has a dealer-installed sunroof, which works excellent and does not leak. We've had this in the rain, which is sad, but it happens in Florida. All of your paint looks great on the roof. Minor checking right here, which is common, but overall, the original paint looks great. Rear wheels have an excellent shape. They have about 70% tread left on them, and I'd say that we took about 20% of that tread off when we did this video. We've tested it out. You don't have to worry about it. The trunk itself is in excellent condition. The wing shows great, and so do the emblems. It also has the fillers in the rear. Let me go ahead and open up the trunk. It's pretty neat because it has a factory-style radio that's been upgraded, Sony Guts.
I don't know that brand. It's
not really Fujigawa, it's Sony Guts.
Wouldn't it be better with the whole Sony?
No. This is what you want.
It's got a subwoofer with 2 amplifiers for your mids and highs, and then also for your speakers on your doors and your rear entrances right here. You've got your sticker. Everybody's gonna wanna look at this. If you guys are gurus, you know what to look for on there. It's a WE2 option, which is right here. Paint looks great inside here. All of your rubber is in excellent condition, and it does have the trunk mat and your spare tire. Let me close that. All of your rear lights look great too. There's no cracking. Rear quarter looks excellent. This is just a little, there you go. A little bit of rundown. Your exhaust looks great. It has custom exhaust on it. All the body panels look great. I see an imperfection right here, but when I started to rub on it, it actually comes off. So I think it's just from someone's foot when they get out of the car. Let me open up this door, and I'm gonna go to the other side and open her up so you can see how nice it is inside there. The interior is 100% original. Your seats are original, your carpet's original. The center section of the dash looks great. Come on inside, look at the sunroof. So this has a dealer option sunroof, which operates as it should. Pretty sweet, I know. Okay, so when you look at the center section, you've got your original radio and your ice cold AC. Also, they've installed a Scan Master, and you've got your alcohol control here. It does have the alarm system, so you have to double lock the door for it to not go off and annoy your neighbors. You have power assist doors, power windows, so it's an option car. And then when you look at the rear of this vehicle, look at how nice the seats are. There's no burn marks anywhere, doesn't smell funny, your light's working. How about we go for a test drive and see how this thing does? Okay, so I'm going to go through the gears regularly so you can see that it shifts fine. Nice and firm. You can feel a little bit of boost, but nothing crazy. This guy's trying to pass me right now. Look at this guy. Ready? Are you ready?